If you want to learn how to use Photopea AI, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through Photopea's smartest AI-powered tools so you can remove backgrounds, select objects faster, clean up unwanted details, and even convert bitmap images into editable vector shapes. This is perfect whether you're a beginner, a designer, a content creator, or anyone who wants to save time while editing images inside Photopea. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Now let's jump in. First, let's look at one of the most useful AI features in Photopea, and that is Magic Cut. Magic Cut is Photopea's automatic background removal tool, and it's great when you want to separate a person, product, or object from the background quickly. To use it, open your image in Photopea, then go up to the top menu and click Select, then choose Magic Cut. As soon as you do that, Photopea will open a split-screen window. On the left side, you'll see your original image, and on the right side, you'll see a live preview of the cutout result. Now here's how the brushes work. Use the green brush to mark the areas you want to keep. This helps Photopea understand what your main subject is. Use the red brush to mark the areas you want removed, which is useful for backgrounds or extra objects you don't want included. And if your image has tricky edges like hair, fur, or transparent details, use the gray brush to mark semi-transparent areas so Photopea can blend them more naturally. The best way to use Magic Cut is to take your time and paint only where needed. You do not need to cover the whole image. Just guide the AI enough so it understands the subject clearly. Once the preview looks clean and the background looks properly removed, click OK to apply the result. Next, let's talk about the Magic Wand and the Object Selection tool. These tools are incredibly helpful when you want to select an object without manually tracing around it. In the left toolbar, choose the Object Selection tool or press W to access the Magic Wand tools, depending on what you need. Then click directly on the object you want to isolate, or drag a selection box around the subject. Photopea will automatically detect the edges and create a selection around the main object. This is especially useful for people, products, logos, or any shape with clear boundaries. If the selection is not perfect, don't worry. You can fine-tune it by adjusting your selection or switching tools as needed. The goal here is to let Photopea do the heavy lifting so you can work much faster than manual selection. Now let's move on to the Spot Healing Brush, which is one of the easiest AI tools for removing unwanted objects, blemishes, scratches, dust, or small distractions from your image. To use it, select the Spot Healing Brush from the left toolbar. If you need a shortcut, it's usually found under the Healing tools and is associated with the J key. Before you start painting, adjust your brush size using the bracket keys. Press the left bracket to make the brush smaller and the right bracket to make it larger. Then simply paint over the object or blemish you want to erase. Once you release the mouse button, Photopea will automatically analyze the surrounding area and blend in the texture so the object disappears naturally. This tool works especially well for cleaning up portraits, product shots, and simple background distractions. If needed, you can make multiple passes for a smoother result, but be careful not to overpaint because that can make the edit look less natural. The final AI feature we're covering today is Vectorize Bitmap, which is Photopea's auto-tracing tool for turning raster images into scalable vector graphics. This is very useful if you have a PNG or JPG and you want to convert it into clean shapes that can be resized without losing quality. To do this, first select your image layer in the Layers panel, then go up to the top menu and click Image, then choose Vectorize Bitmap. A pop-up window will appear with settings like colors and reduce noise. These sliders help you control how much detail is kept in the vector result. If you want a cleaner, simpler shape, you can reduce noise. If you want more detail, you can adjust the colors accordingly. Once you're happy with the preview, click OK, and Photopea will generate a folder of editable vector shapes. This is great for logos, icons, illustrations, and any design you want to scale or edit more precisely. So to quickly recap, Photopea AI gives you powerful tools for removing backgrounds with Magic Cut, selecting objects with the Object Selection tool or Magic Wand, erasing unwanted details with the Spot Healing Brush, and converting images into vector shapes with Vectorize Bitmap. Once you understand these 4 tools, you can speed up a huge part of your editing workflow and get professional-looking results much faster. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to know which tool to use for each task. If this video helped you learn how to use Photopea AI, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.